guys, welcome back to my channel, itsmaegans.life, and today I have something in my eye. That's what's happening today. Hello. Excuse me, rude. Welcome back to the madness. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I am super hyped. I don't know why, maybe because I had a good workout this morning, but I'm super hyped. I have some errands to run, so I figured I might as well beat the face to the wads. Okay, honey, for me to go hop on a train to go run my errands. So all of this is unnecessary. The beat is unnecessary for where I'm going, but it is what it is. They're gonna get what I serve. Period. Let me stop. I'm super hyped. So I'm gonna not ramble for too long, and let me just zoom in so you guys can see the eyes a bit more. In the corner is highlighted per usual, lashes, and just a little light color, you know, some purple, pinks, and oranges. Yeah, purple, pink, and orange. I hope you guys enjoy this look. I don't know what I'm gonna call this look yet, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Stay happy, stay safe. Just be kind to one another, please, and most importantly, Black Lives Matter. Bye, guys.
Yeah. I was finna write a song about how I've been hella stressed, but I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding to kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this subtle smile, we'll never know. She She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year. Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad hat. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Got my key in the door. I can't help thinking you'll be there. Oh, I keep falling back, acting so damn insecure. Don't get me wrong, when I wake in the morning, all of these feelings are gone. Why are you here in the back of my mind? Maybe I just need somebody that you feel the space, you know how to do it just right. Maybe I don't really feel, cause this desire's only shallow. And I'm a mess alone when I'm on my own. And maybe I don't really miss you. I just hate the silence late at night. I think I need someone to hold me. Restless and cold in my bones. I just can't sleep when I'm alone. I just can't sleep when I'm alone. I just can't sleep when I'm alone. As I'm lying in bed, I can't help wishing you'll be here. I put a breath on my neck, whisper that I do you best. I toss and I turn till 4 in the morning, sleepless in these empty sheets. If you were here, you can come to my mind. I know I just need somebody tonight. You feel the space, you know how to do me just right. Maybe I don't really feel, cause this desire's only shallow. And I'm a mess alone when I'm on my own. And maybe I don't really miss you. I just need the silence late at night. I think I need someone to hold me. Restless and cold in my bones. I just can't sleep when I'm alone. I just can't sleep when I'm alone. you.